Hello guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use the AI images features to generate an AI photo on CapCut. So first, just prepare a photo that you want to later change it into an AI photo. Then go to the effect at the bottom and click on AI stylize options. So just click on that, and in here you can use the preset, or you can also add your own prompts in here. So for example, I'm going to just use this CGI style. Then click on generate. Now wait for the AI style to apply to the photo. Okay, so now it's done. You can choose between these four options with different backgrounds. You can just choose which one. You can also click on refine to add a new style to the image, or you can also adjust the intensity in here. But when you if you like with the result, you can just click on apply. Now your image will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, comment, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.